Hello, this is Josh from Advanced Camping, bringing you another video tour of this new 2020 Revel in the blue-gray exterior. It is a really nice, sharp-looking color here. The Mercedes accents really make it look quite nice with the LED headlamps in the front. The four-wheel drive makes it look nice and aggressive. So it really has a cool look to it for sure. You got the blacked out rims, the new stylized rims. It all really just adds to the appeal, the look of it. These do look really, really sharp. So let's get into some of the features on our 2020 Revel here. We'll have 200 watts of solar on the roof. And we talked a little bit, it's got the 4x4. It's really all-wheel drive, so you have as tight of a turning radius as you do in two-wheel drive as you do in four-wheel. So it's more of an all-wheel drive than a four-wheel drive, which is much better. You can use all-wheel drive continuously at any speed you want without the slippage that you kind of get with a typical selectable four-wheel drive. So that's going to be a bit nicer here as well. We'll have a nice big lighted power awning on the outside. Really easy to bring that out. It's just one button push. It does have a wind sensor, so if it gets too windy, automatically comes in. We'll have the nice lighted aluminum running boards here, and those light up quite nicely at night. We have the screen package for the rear and the side here, and when that rolls down, there is like a little magnetic strip that you can open and close the whole thing, so you don't have to zip and unzip every single time. Always nice. And coming around here, there's going to be outside outlets. There's a port for more solar should you desire. The panel, or the controller I should say, can handle up to 500 watts of solar if you wanted more. That one is really up to you. It does come with 200 watts on the roof there. So it does have the roof rack up there, has the air conditioner. You got the ladder that'll go in any position, which is quite nice. You can put sort of cargo carriers, kayaks, bikes, whatever you want up there. And then of course, one of the bigger appeals is the storage in the back here too. So this gives you quite a bit, 140 cubic feet of storage back here. There's removable tie downs all throughout. You know, it's going to be a push button to bring your bed up and down. So you can easily bring bikes, kayaks, anything you want right in the back here, and then unload them pretty easily. Even with the bed down, you still have quite a bit of storage space in here as well. Little outside shower here as well, so you can you have pets, or if you want to rinse your feet off, you're good to go with that. All right, we have a hitch and wiring all set up. Can tow 5,000 pounds, so you're good to go there. And you have these little fiberglass out flares, which allow a 6'2" person to lay across very, very easily. We have the cassette toilet here, which is going to be, no matter where you are, you can always empty that, even if it's just in a toilet, frankly. The nice thing about the tanks in here, and really the whole thing, is it's made from the ground up to go anywhere and any time of year. That's really the big appeal. So from the ground up, it's a 4-season unit. So what I mean by that is it's actually a diesel controlled hydronic heating system. So it heats a glycol, similar to what you see in homes where it has like in-floor heating. Same type of deal, only instead of propane, as there's no propane on board here, it will use diesel, and it will heat up lines, which gives you either heat coming out of the various different heat vents, hot water, and then it also, those heat pipes wrap around your insulated tanks, your fresh water, your gray water, and your black water tank, which gives you a true 4-season unit. Doesn't just have heating pads on here, it has actual insulated, wrapped around heated holding tanks. So from the ground up, it's made to go anywhere at any time of the year. So that's really cool. It's a big advantage, especially if you're going to be off-roading, if you're going skiing, or just in the Midwest winters here, they come all too soon, you can still absolutely use your Winnebago Revel. So yeah, we'll have some other connections. We'll have the gray water drain down here. We'll have the city water connection over there. And there's going to be a 360-degree radar system on here. So when you're backing up, it gives you a full range of the obstacles that are around you. It would be also great if you're off-roading. You can see various obstacles right around you. It gives you a lot of different camera views as well, which is quite nice. We'll have a little porch table here, patio table, that'll fold out. And we'll have our two-person seating here. This will also convert into a bed. And there is some, there's a table that lifts up there, so the driver can spin around on the swivel seats, and these are leather seats. You can eat on that table or in the back here. Let's come in our Winnebago Revel here. So we do have, in the 2020 versions, we'll have some storage up above in the cabin here, which is definitely welcomed. The 2019 chassis here is phenomenal. I mean, really, really cool. There's, of course, the smart AI that will help you out. You can have it change your air conditioner settings or really anything you want. It also has active lane keeping assist, which is awesome. That sort of actively keeps you in the lane, so you don't have to fully, especially on the highway, it almost drives itself. Coupled with the adaptive cruise control that slows down the vehicle or speeds it up depending on the car in front of you, you have to do very little on the freeway when you're doing long drives in this. So very, very comfortable system, very easy to use, and has a ton of goodies. It has blind spot assist, of course, active lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, so all of that really makes for a wonderful driving experience. That's a really cool idea, coupled with the more rugged sort of feel of the rest of it. You have a very you have sort of all the features of a Mercedes S-Class up in front here. So when you're driving, you really have a luxury car experience, but you still have the off-road rugged capabilities of the Winnebago Revel. So very cool. Let's see here, and let's check some of these out. So we'll have a 2,000 watt inverter, which is going to be enough to, you know, run your induction stove, run anything you might want to plug into an outlet. It has three Group 31 AGM batteries, and those charge and work in any type of temperature, unlike lithium batteries, where when lithium batteries get below freezing, they won't take a charge. So with the AGM batteries on board here, you really do have 4-season capability. Again, they're thinking from the ground up, any time of year, anywhere you want to go, it's ready for you. So and you'll be able to control your heat, you'll be able to control your bed here. Hot water heater you can run on 110 if you're plugged in somewhere. Various different controls. Solar panel control is going to be right here, that you kind of just leave alone. It just kind of does its thing. So in the kitchen here, we'll have a recessed sink. Let's see if we can, stainless steel sink. This pops up very nicely. We have the nice induction stove, so no propane needed at all. We'll have the nice compressor-based refrigerator and freezer. These are awesome. You don't need propane again, so it doesn't need to be perfectly level like a propane fridge does. It doesn't need to have pilot lights that you have to worry about, you know, those blowing out and not working as well when you're on the road. Much safer sort of a thing. So better in almost every way. So you'll have some shelving down here as well. Take a look at the bathroom here. So very cool multi-purpose bathroom. This is one of my biggest cool points on the Revel, is you can use it either as a storage area. So you have so many people that say, I'm almost never going to use that bathroom. It would be nice if you could use it as just storage. So very easy to take these bamboo treated wood pieces out. So you can just take them right out. You know, there's nothing really securing them. You just pull them right out and use it as a shower area, or as wet storage. So if you have muddy boots, the bamboo treated wood is made to get wet, so you can set your muddy boots or wet boots in here, and everything will work out very well. It does have a shower here too, of course. It does have a hanging clothes thing up here if you want to hang clothes. It has a power vent up there to vent out moisture. We'll have our toilet, and you can actually spin that in a 360-degree arc. So anywhere you want the toilet position, you can just spin it, which is pretty cool. So yeah, definitely nice. I'm 6'2". I can stand up and easily take a shower in here, fairly easy. So it should work very nicely for either a storage area and or a bathroom for you. So coming back here again, it does have the air conditioner option. That is right up there. Very easy to bring this bed up and down, just a push button. There's going to be lots of outlets strewn all throughout here. Pretty much on every corner there's going to be both 110 and 12 volt outlets, so you won't want for power anywhere. Plenty of lights back here as well, and of course can't mention the Revel without these RAM mounts. These are located almost everywhere throughout. You will find them just literally everywhere, and you go on Amazon. They make different RAM mounts for different devices you may have, like iPads, TVs, really anything you want. So yeah, basically those will be all over, and you can use any device you want. So definitely a cool setup there. But yeah, really from the ground up, you'll have a really comfortable driving experience. Once you're there, you'll be able to be off the grid, any type of temperature, anywhere you want to go. So it really lends itself well to the Midwest here, or if you're planning on doing any type of off-roading, this is really the way to go. The back part here is built rugged enough to bring all your toys with you, be tough enough to withstand off-roading, and then your front end gives you a very much luxury car-like experience. So very cool coupling here with the Mercedes, with the Winnebago more rugged Revel product. So very, very cool. Again, my name is Josh. I'd be happy to help you on one of these. We also have a silver one coming in very shortly, so please feel free to get your reservation in on that. This one is in stock for the time being. First time we've had one in stock, so get your orders in quickly. You can reach me here at 414-281-6330. Otherwise, check our website for current availability, different pictures, specifications, all that good stuff is going to be on advancedcamping.com. If you like this video and want to see more, please feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you and have a fantastic day.